Hello, welcome to Nattys Crafts. I'm Natalie. I always do all the crafting. And today we have just a real quick video because I'm preparing to go on my cruise. And so I don't have time to make a big long craft. So today is, what day is today? Thursday. We leave on Friday. This video won't come out till Tuesday and I'll be deep in the heart of some ocean. I don't know where. We're going to Mexico. And so I'm going to try and post a video while on the cruise. I don't know that their Wi-Fi is going to be strong enough for that, so we'll see how that works. So I figure I better get a video up just in case. So this is just going to be a real quick Dollar Tree craft. So give the video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Be sure to subscribe. When you subscribe, you should hit the bell so you know when the next video comes out. And let's go ahead and go take a look. So we're going to make this diamond painting coaster that I got from Dollar Tree. And everything comes in this cute little kit, $1.25 per usual. Well, it's not usual anymore, but wait, there's a red sticker. Does that mean it was $1.50? Oh, I don't even know. But anyway, it comes with all these pieces and the directions and everything. So I just pulled everything apart to see what we've got and see how we're going to do it. I wasn't sure how good this was going to be, but it ended up being really good. I really like it. So first we got to take off this plastic cover piece because the coaster starts off as sticky and you're putting beads, you're sticking beads onto the coaster. So take off the plastic piece first, and then you have to kind of figure out the colors because it's numbered. So it's like a paint by number, but it's more bead by number. So there's 4 different colors to use, and there's on the coaster, it's got numbers where you're supposed to put the different colors. And you just put the colors in this little tray, use the little pointer thing with some glue, and you glue the beads on. I've done one of these before in my videos in the past, so you may have already seen something like this. This one was a bit more impressive than the last one. I think last time it was keychains maybe that I made, which were really quite cute, and actually still have one on my extra key that I have. But anyway, this is a coaster, and so this is a little bit different situation because it's going to get used on a daily basis instead of just as an extra. So all you're doing literally is just putting beads, sticking beads onto this coaster shape. And doing this whole thing, it probably took me, I don't know, maybe 40 minutes or so, maybe an hour. I don't honestly know. I was just doing it, watching and listening to YouTube in the background. So I don't know. It's something that you could definitely do with the kids or grandkids or whatever because it requires no extra anything. It's just these little beads, and I suppose the beads could be dangerous. Kids could swallow them and whatever, but be smart about it. I mean, use some intelligence here. But this was very easy to use and could easily have kids do it because there's no heat or anything, nothing dangerous. And then once you've got all the beads stuck on, then you do want to go through and make sure that none of them slid around, because I noticed when I was pressing down on it, sometimes they would slide over. So I just went back and I just kind of moved them around a little bit and took off any extra glue that I could see. Like here, I don't know, you can't see it, but just slide them over a little bit, and any of the pink glue that you can see from the beads, I took that off. Just basically cleaning it up a little bit. And then I'm going to cover it with the Dishwasher Safe ModPodge. Because it is a coaster, that indicates it probably is going to get wet. And I didn't trust that it was going to stay good if I just left it. So I did put this ModPodge on there. I don't know how necessary it is, but that's what makes me comfortable, so that's what I did. So I just brushed on some of this Dishwasher Safe ModPodge. And then I ended up drying it with my hair dryer, just to try to speed up the process a little bit. Again, this is Thursday. Normally I craft on Saturday or Sunday. I don't have time for this on a Thursday. But anyway, I was doing it. And it was so adorable. I actually really like it. Like, I'm always surprised when I really like something. And this I really like. The colors were good. It looks not like a craft that I made in my craft room. Like, I'm liking it quite a bit. This is something that you could actually give as a gift. I really believe this is something you could give as a gift. If you made 4 of them, you could do that, in my opinion. I just love it. I think it's beautiful. I thank you so much for stopping by Nattys Crafts today. I sure hope that you could go ahead and give the video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Be sure to subscribe. When you subscribe, you should hit the bell so you know when the next video comes out. And remember to always appreciate today, as tomorrow is never promised. Thanks, y'all. Y'all have a great one.